Good afternoon. It is March 5th, 2021. It is vlog 44, almost hitting 50. Awesome. And it is Friday. What is it, Carrie?
Huh?
What's today? Today's Friday.
It's Friday. It's meme day.
Meme
I
day.
know you asked me what the date was, and I don't know what the date is.
We haven't had Carrie commentary in a couple of days, so
It's
at
early
least
in
we have it
March.
Friday.
That's all I know. It's early in March.
She's been working her ass off, but actually it's 4 o'clock right now, and I'm doing my vlog. We had to wake up early, go into the shop today, and we spent some time there today, and it was cool. But actually, I'll do a midday tuning. Midday ukulele tuning. I just woke up from a nap. I was tired. I'll tell you the story in a minute, but every single time. I don't know what that is. I love that scale. It's cool. Just feels good. I think I need to go slower, but we'll get there. We'll totally get there. Fast or slower is faster, right? But anyways, yeah. Not only did I have to wake up early this morning, but last night. Here's the story. Basically, actually, let me tell you what happened. Actually, let's do the weather, and then I'll tell the story. Weather today is 66. Did it get any higher than that today? It's 66, and it's gonna rain tonight, tomorrow? What is this? Is it supposed to rain today? Oh, that's Cupertino. I'm totally in the wrong city. Where are we going?
Where are we going?
We need Long Beach. Where's
What
my?
state were we in?
I was in Cupertino. What the heck?
Where the hell is that?
I don't know.
Is that in California?
Long Beach. Give me Long Beach. Oh, okay. Here we go. There's the right one. Long Beach, 70 with a 72. I was like, there was rain in the forecast. I was like, there's no rain tonight.
Next week?
Yeah, next week, but yeah. But it's 70 with a high of 72, and I think it did get to 72 today, which was nice. So sick. Good beans. Cool beans. Good beans. Whatever. But anyways, yesterday I woke up early again because I had an appointment at Dave's. I already talked about that because I did a late vlog again yesterday. But after that, I filmed. Let's see, I did follow work for DII. Or is that yesterday? Yeah, I'm totally on the right page. All right. And then I went and filmed Tim Tipton's daughter. We went to Rec Park to film an interview for her golf promo, and I finished that. And then last night I was basically doing some follow-up work, editing and stuff like that. And then we had dinner. Carrie got dinner. We usually do this tapas thing. And we had tapas dinner. I'll write that. Usually includes little hummus, some cheese and bread. We had, it might have been balls, I don't know. But we had some bao buns with shredded pork in them. That was pretty good. And cheese. And then right before I went to sleep, I had some ice cream. So I had a lot of cheese and a lot of ice cream. And I'm not too good on cheese, even though I like it, or milk products. I don't even drink milk. But anyways, about a half an hour into my sleep, guess what? My stomach started gurgling. I was like, oh, maybe it'll just go away. And then all of a sudden I had to bolt. And I was in the bathroom. Oh, yeah. That was last night. And now that I'm tired because I had to wake up early this morning. I was up last night for a couple hours clearing out my bowels. And then, yeah. No, I was tired. I just took a nap. And it wasn't good enough. I'm still tired. I didn't get enough sleep. But anyways, today we woke up early, and then, yeah, I wrote that down. Ate too much cheese, stomach not feeling it. It was not feeling it at all. Then we went to DII for an appointment and hung out with Brian and Noah, and they bought an Oris, which is awesome. They were excited about that. Had Blue Bowl for lunch. That was actually the first time I ate since the night before. So that was like at 3 o'clock. So I hadn't eaten anything all day. My stomach was jacked up. And then I was running on coffee. And then now it brings me to here. So now I'm doing vlog 44. Yeah, vlog 44. And tonight I'm just chilling. I'm tired, actually. I'm going to do my 100-day song today, and I don't even know what I'm going to do. I'll see in a minute. I have a bunch of songs. I'll probably do that after. Yesterday, what song did I do yesterday? Yeah, I totally forgot what song I did yesterday. I'm grabbing my book. Yeah. That's how quickly we forget. It's Still Rock and Roll to Me by Billy Joel. I did that yesterday. I love that song. It's so fun. It is a fun song. Totally fun. I'm still recording. Kick butt. So I got some songs to do. Let's see. If I did I could do that. I could do that, actually. Interesting. I pulled one song out and it was Naturally, and I pulled another one out. What happens? Lemonade. Ooh. There's a cool couple ones. Interesting. I'll leave those on the top because I'm going to do those. That'd be awesome. Alright. So that's that. I got my song to do. There's Carrie. She's going out on the balcony. Maybe not. I don't know. And then, let's see. What else we got tonight? Anything? Just chilling? We're totally chilling. Yeah, I need to relax and just relax. Because tomorrow I do have to get up early. I have a lesson in the morning. Yeah, tomorrow's gonna be busy. Then I have a live show, and then I have a ook social. So that's gonna take me all the way to the afternoon. So I'm busy tomorrow. So yeah, today's Friday. This weekend, what else are we doing? Do we have anything this weekend? Ooh, Carrie's running. She always runs a trail. She's a magic runner. She's an awesome runner. But honestly, that's all I have for you today on Friday. Let's look at the birthdays.
Friday.
It's Friday. A bit tired.
Cheese story?
Yeah, I already told the cheese. Don't feed Daniel cheese. I love cheese, just don't eat a lot of it.
That's how exciting it gets around here.
That's our excitement for the night. Yeah. Let's look at some birthdays. Birthdays. Ew. Oh, it's Jade's dad's birthday. Well, Billy Stewart. Bill Stewart. Oh, Tut Nguyen from Verizon Yellow Pages back in the day. Daniel Ho. Daniel Ho's birthday today. Awesome ukulele player. Grammy Award winner. Daniel Ho. Awesome. Happy birthday, brother. And then Linda Carrion, Pam's friend. She's awesome. Linda, happy birthday. Haven't seen you in a while. That's cool. But those are the birthdays for today that I know of. It's the beginning of March, and this year is going by pretty quick. The vlogs are awesome. I'm learning a lot. What did I learn today? I learned a lot of stuff today, actually. Yeah, it was funny. The Brian who bought the RS, he knew he's a videographer. It was crazy, and he was like, "Oh, check out this wedding I did." And I was looking at the wedding. I was like, "Wow, that's nice. That's like Ning Wang stuff." I go, "Do you know Ning Wang?" And he's all, "Yeah, I used to do work for him." I go, "Oh yeah, I used to work with him." So funny. Small world. That was crazy. And actually, I learned today, one of our hand pans is called the RS. And a lot of people love it. It's great for sound healing and stuff like that, but it's really resonant. Like, bing, and it just keeps ringing. Some people like it. Some people are like, oh, that's too much ringing. And actually, the customer today was like that. And we figured it out. It was kind of crazy. We have these, like, we just put a piece of cloth inside the hand pan and just toned it down a little bit. And then we have these rings that you use it for the hand pans to like set on. But I go, hey, but let's put it inside because it's even. And then we did, and it worked. He was like, oh, I want this. And I just it made him buy the pan. It's so funny. But it worked, and it was kind of cool. That's what I learned today. What else? Dave, I was talking about. Actually, I was listening to Dave's story because I haven't heard this, and he told me in the beginning he thought steel pans were more as like a spiritual instrument or more feeling instrument, but he realized it wasn't. It was actually the steel pan is more analytical, and the hand pan is a spiritual instrument, and that's the way he loves it like that. And I just go, what? And I go, yeah. And he was telling the story, and I was like, wow, you explained it perfectly how that works. It's so crazy. But yeah, learning is good. Learning is good. What'd you learn today, Carrie? I put her on the spot. She can't think.
I have to think about it.
Yeah, she will think about it. But anyways, that's what I learned. I wonder if there's anything else I learned. That's what I learned today. I think that's about it. But yeah, this is marching on. I can't believe it's March. I'm all saying it's marching on, and it is March. March Madness, and then pretty soon, March, April. Gosh, wow. This year's going fast. It is going fast. But yeah. Got anything, Carrie?
Only unicorns and rainbows.
Unicorns and rainbows. It is March 5th, 2021. Unicorns and rainbows. It is Friday. It is vlog 44, and that's all I got for you guys today. Actually, that's all I got for me that I can think of. So, with that, like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. Wah! Let's see, what chord do I want to do today? We'll do a B. Wow. B. Yeah. See you tomorrow.